Here we have the Pothole Pro using its milling attachment to dig into the pothole. Start to get it ready to get filled, and then we're going to cut it and we're going to broom everything up. The milling attachment on this can go 6 inches deep. You can also go at angles. It does have a water attachment to it to keep the dust down. Now after we use the milling attachment, now we're going to use the pickup broom to pick up all the excess debris on the ground. It does have a water attachment too to help keep the dust down a little bit more as well. And now we're going to clean up the edges with the jackhammer to make sure everything's nice and square and uniform. Making sure your patch goes in very clean. "15 minutes later, and you have a clean pothole ready for filling, and you're good to go."